Hi viewers, welcome to Ekovarna Creations. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online. I went through many websites, portals like mailing, posting ads, data entry jobs and so on, but most of them are spammers and they won't even pay out. We waste our most of the time on them. So, by struggling, I found a web called reticlubs.com. Yes, with this web, spending low time you can earn lot and lot of money with very less investment. That is, you can start from 500 rupees. But my suggestion is you can go with 1330 rupees. I mean 1330 rupees to prevent loss and to gain more profits. So you are stepping back with investment. Yes, if anyone says without investment you can earn this, that is totally fake. Even if you're working for a company as an employer, you need to invest your expenses like fuel, food, and mostly time. And you need to wait for your payout till a month. But here you need not to wait. You can work at any time in 24 hours. You can withdraw your income directly to your bank account anytime from Monday to Friday, 10 to 5 pm. Unbelievable with all these facts, right? Let me explain clearly and do watch the video till the end. I'm going to give you most important information till the end. Reticlubs. What is this Reticlubs? Yes, this is a gold and silver trading web where you can trade from 10 rupees to your wish. So, you're new to the web and you don't know how to trade. Just register using the link given below in the description and recharge with 500 rupees or 1330. That's my suggestion. Now at the bottom, after you make a recharge, just log in and now at the bottom you find WinGo option. You just go there. I'll show you my balance and you find all green and red spots, some period numbers, price and everything. Just leave it. Here I'll show you my balance. Okay, you can find my balance, running period number, and every period changes to 3 minutes. So there we find join green 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and violet the same and red the same. So green is having odd numbers and red goes with even numbers. And we need to trade in between 3 minutes to 30 seconds. We need to select the spot whether green or red. I'm going with red, 10 rupees to show you. At 30 seconds remaining, it gets freezed and result will be updated. Once result updated, my investment will be doubled. Let us see. Yes, it's red, and if we go to the record, success, my investment 10 plus 9, 19. So my balance is. So how come we can guess that accurately whether it is a red or it is a green? I'll explain you in detail. So for your convenience to trade perfectly, there was a WhatsApp group where analysts will direct us to invest properly. If you can see these, we have a right analyzers. Also, there was an automation calculating according to big data analyst. Even it guides us in proper way to invest. So now I'm going with red again according to analyst suggestion. We'll wait for the result. It's red violet. Violet goes with red or green combination and our amount gets 50% profit. That is, in the place of 9 rupees, we get 4.5 rupees. So in this way, we can earn a lot of money and you can withdraw. But here it doesn't end. There is another way to earn money. I'll show you. Go to my promotion and you find level 1 and level 2. When you invite new people with the referral link which you had, whenever they trade, you get a percentage from their trade. If you can check, my level 1 people are 35 with income 16,958 and my level 2 people are 107 with my income 22,359. Yes, that's a huge amount in the span of 20 days only through referral link. Level 1 is my direct referral. When level 1 people invited new members, they'll come under level 2, that is 107 members, and from them also we can get more income. Total will be calculated and you can withdraw whenever you want. So if you can observe, in the span of 20 days only through referral, my passive income apart from trading is very high. You can see my withdrawal income daily. I'll show you every screenshot. See, these are all my withdrawals to my bank account. And whenever you go for a withdrawal, fund transfers will be very immediate. After you join and make successful recharge, just ping me on WhatsApp and I'll add you to the analyst groups. Start trading and all the money is yours. Also, for more income, don't remember inviting your new people. Thank you.